Android doesn't exactly have the type of system-level battery health menu like the iPhone does, but there's still a few ways to check your battery health. If you're using a Samsung phone like I am, you probably have the Samsung Members app installed on your phone. On a Pixel and other types of phone, you can use a third-party app, which I'll show you after this. In the Members app, you can tap Support on the bottom, and one of the first things you'll see is Phone Diagnostics. Tap that and you can run a diagnostics test on your phone, including a status check on your battery. This is a pretty long test that checks several different things on your phone. Battery is one of the first ones to be checked, and if you don't want to wait for the full diagnostics to finish, you can return to the previous screen and stop the diagnostics after the battery check is complete. You'll see an overview of all the different things that were checked, and you can tap the battery status to view more info. Like I said earlier, another option to check your battery is to use a third-party app. There's a lot of them available, and I'm going to download AccuBattery. This is a third-party app that estimates your battery's health and tracks how your phone actually uses power over time. It's important to understand how this app works. It doesn't directly read the battery's internal condition. Instead, it measures how much power your phone uses during charging and discharging. By comparing that real-world usage to the battery's original design capacity, it can estimate how healthy your battery is. Because of that, AccuBattery gets more accurate the longer you use it. Right after installing the app, the numbers might not mean much, but after several charge cycles, usually a few days to a couple of weeks, the estimates become much more reliable as the app collects more data. Beyond battery health, AccuBattery also shows which apps are draining the most power, how fast your phone charges, how quickly it discharges, and how long your battery typically lasts between charges. This can be really useful for spotting problem apps or understanding why your battery isn't lasting as long as it used to. One thing to keep in mind is that AccuBattery can't fix battery wear. It only reports what's happening. And since Android phones expose different system data depending on the manufacturer, accuracy can vary slightly from device to device. Still, for most people, it's one of the best ways to get a clear picture of battery health and usage on Android. One more thing. If you go to Settings and scroll down to Battery, you can see some battery and power-related settings. You can set your phone to power saving mode, you can adjust background usage limits, or for example, turn on battery protection, which adjusts the charging behavior in order to maximize the lifespan of your phone's battery. This menu doesn't give you a battery health percentage, but it has some useful settings and data if you're looking to maximize your phone's battery life. And that's battery health on Android. Click that like button if this was helpful and subscribe for more easy and quick guides like this.